Hello dear students, how are you? Hope so you are doing great. This is Lakshmi. Welcome to my channel Maths Super Tips and Tricks. In this channel, I'm going to teach the various levels of examinations regarding the maths, especially objective type. In objective type examinations, time is important. Within short time, you have to focus the more number of questions. Then only you can get the best and better ranks. Especially JEE mains and MSET point of view. So you have to spend the less time for more questions. So that is only possible if you know the super tips and tricks. That is all I'm going to use in my videos. Already most of the videos are uploaded. If you want to watch, those links are there in below description. You can watch it for your better progress. Those are mostly helpful to you. In today's video, I'm going to teach one of the quite interesting and very important topic, that is differentiation as a part 2. Already I did the part 1. What are the various tips and tricks? What are the different illustrations? We can get the idea about the differentiation of part 1. Whose link is there in the description. I can watch that also. Now in part 2, what I'm going to teach. Are you ready to watch? Yes, without delay, let's get started, right? Look at these three questions. In each question, you can observe that here y is given as x power tan x, then dy by dx. Here derivative of x power a power x is asking. Now derivative of x power sin x is asking. From these three questions, what you can observe that? Yes, given function in the form of function power function. Generally, what you can take, we can take it as a y and apply the logarithm. Then we can find out its derivative. That is logarithm differentiation you can apply. But if you do all those process, it takes too much time. That's why we are using a magical super duper tip. Only one tip. Within one step, you can get the solution instead of taking y logarithm differentiation. Are you ready? Yes. What is that tip? You can get immediately like this. The derivative of function power function. Suppose u power v. Here u v are differentiable functions. Maybe u v are same or maybe different functions. We can use this tip as easily can remember. First you can write u power v as it is given function. What is the base function here? U power function v. This one you can remember as v into u dash plus u into v dash of log u by u. That's it. Without using the logarithm and logarithmic differentiation, just you have to use the only one tip. What is that? U power v of v power function into derivative base function plus base function derivative power function with the log of base function upon u. You know u by v rule is what? U by v rule you know very well. What is that? V u dash minus u v dash. Those terminology you have to remember. So like where there is a minus here plus, not complete formula, just a terminology what, like that you can remember. Like v u dash, but instead of minus we can use plus u v dash. Log of u as it is, all divided by u. That is only our tip when the given function is the form of function power function. Is it so easy, you know? Okay. So you have to recognize what is u, what is v. What is u? U is a base function, v is a power function. According to that tip, what is the answer for this one? Dy by dx means derivative of this function is what? Yes, u power v, that is x power tan x as it is, into v. V means tan x into derivative of x is 1. Tan x and derivative of x is 1 with minus x into tan x derivative secant square x into what is that? Log u means log x. All divided by u. U is x. Again, one more step I am writing here. X power tan x is as it is, right? Here tan x plus x sec square x into log x by x. You know, compare with this formula. What is u? U and v. U is x. V is a log x. Then we can substitute and take its simplification, right? U power v, that is x power tan x into u means what here? v into vu dash, v into v is what? Log x into derivative of x1 plus u into, that is x into derivative of log x, derivative of tan x, right? Sorry, here tan x, v is a tan x. Okay, derivative of tan x is secant square x into log u. Okay, what is u here? X. That is only our required result. Now we can live like this. Maybe we can make the separation also. X power tan x of tan x by x plus, by the separation x gets cancelled. What is left over? Secant square x of log x. That's it. By the separation x power tan x by x. Here by the separation x gets cancelled. What is left over? Secant square x of log x. This is only our resultant value of derivative of x power tan x. Is it clear now? You have to use this step. It's a very, very simple and very easy way how to remember. Right, now come to the next question. Same way, here u is a x, v is a power x. No, what is its derivative? D by dx is what? uv, u power v, that is x power of a power x, x power of a power x into v is a power x into u dash log x, u dash means derivative of x is 1 plus u is x into, what is a v dash? Derivative of a power x is a power x into log a with log u plus is x log x divided by u is x. Okay, this is, we can rewrite x power of a power x into a power x by x. By the separation x gets cancelled, here a power x into log a into log x. That's it. Very simple. Is it clear? Now here what are the u and v? U is x, v is a power x. Right. Now look at the question number 3. Here also derivative of x power sin x is asking. What is u here? U is x, v is a log x, sorry, sin x. According to this one, this resultant value is u power v, that is x power of sin x into v is what here? Sin x. Sin x into derivative of u dash, derivative of x is 1 plus u is what? X into v dash, derivative of sin x is cos x into log u means log x upon u is x, right? This is also by the separation x power sin x is as it is, sin x by x plus x is cancelled. This is cos x into log x. Okay, what is this tip I used here? Can you find out the derivative of function power function as a single tip? We can get the solution easily. Is it clear? Now can come forward some more questions, right? Look at the question number 4. What is given? If x power y is equals to log x, then at x is equal to e is asking the dy by dx. Here what is the left side? Yes, x power y is there, means function power is there, function power function is there. So to find out its derivative dy by dx, apply the log on derivative on both sides. Okay, what is its derivative? Apply the d by dx of x power y is left side, d by dx of log x is right side. Okay, apply the differentiation on both sides. Now left side is in the form of u power v. What is u power v are given? U power v of vu dash plus uv dash log u by u are given, that only I am using here, right? Now x power y, in place of the v, y is there, u, x is there. What is the first step? X power y, u power v of v, y into v into u dash, derivative of x is 1 plus x into derivative of the y, derivative of y is simply dy by dx, right, into uv dash is over log u means log x upon, what is u? X. This is left side. What about right side? Log x. What is log x related to? 1 by x. Here two sides x is cancelled. No, it is x power y of y plus x dy by dx log x is a 1. Now what you have to find out? You have to find out derivative function at x is equals to e. You know, in this equation there is a x and y also. Okay, you know, x is equals to e means how can you find out y value? X is equal to e substitute in the given question. Since you know x is equals to e, you can substitute in this question. What happened? E power y, x is equals to e, if you substitute, e power y is equals to log e. You know log e value? Yes, log e value is 1. 1 shall I write e power y? E power 0, sorry. E power y is equals to 1. 1 shall I write e power 0? Yes. Why I am taking e power 0 only? Because of e power y. Here base is e, here also you can take base is also e. And e power 0 is 1, you know that clearly. Then we can compare on both sides. In place of y, what is there? 0 is there. You have this result. X is 0, we got the y is a, sorry, x is equals to e, we got the y is equals to 0. Those values you can substitute here to find out dy by dx. In place of x, we can take it as e, y is 0. Now what happened? Substitute in, suppose if you take it is 1, what happened? E is a, x is e power, y is 0, e power 0, 0 plus e into dy by dx. Here log e in place of x is equals to 1. From this e power 0 is how much? E power 0 is clearly 1. This is indirectly e power of e into dy by dx of, what is the log e value? Log e value is 1. Means what? This simply e into dy by dx is equals to 1. What is the dy by dx finally? 1 by e. Right? So here also I use the u power v function, power function only. But application is somewhat extra because of he is asking the derivative value at x is equals to e. If you take the x is equals to e, we can find out y value. Those values we can substitute in our differentiation. That is only I did here. Clear? How can you find out derivative of some special forms? What are those? Look at here one by one. Question number 5. What is the question number 5? Y is given as cube root of sin x plus cube root of sin x plus cube root of sin x and so on infinity. Okay. And 6th one. If y is equals to 5th root of cos x plus y. In such cases, what you have to do? For those questions to solve them, just you have to remember this tip. What is? If y is in the form of nth root of fx plus nth root of fx plus nth root of fx up to infinity, maybe it is also you can it is in the form of, maybe it is also in the form of short form, that is y is equals to nth root of fx plus y. You got the idea about these two? Yes. What is difference here and here? This is expanded form, nth root of some fx plus nth root of some fx and so on is there, but here nth root of fx plus y is there. In such forms, what is its derivative? Derivative is f dash x means derivative of this function into n into y power n minus 1 with the minus 1. You know x power n derivative. What is x power n derivative? N into x power n minus 1. Like that you have to remember here n into y power n minus 1. How you can use this tip for both the questions. What is the question number 5? It is in the form of first form. In place of n, what is there? 3 is there. N is a 3 and fx is sin x. Right? Is asking its derivative. Dy by dx is what is asking. Right? So according to this formation, what is the dy by dx? It is clearly in this form or not? What is that formula? F dash x by n into f dash x means what? Derivative of sin x is cos x by n into y power n minus 1. N is what here? 3. 3 into y power n minus 1 is 2. Y minus 3y square with minus 1. That's it. Dy by dx is cos x means derivative of sin x is cos x into n y power n minus 1. In place of n, what is there here? 3 is there. 3 of y power 3 minus 1 is 2 with the minus 1. That is all I used here. Right. Now same formation is given in this formation. Next question. Question number 6. Here question number 5 is in this form. Question number 6 is in this form, but for both the result, dy by dx is same tip. What is n here? N is a 5, right? N is 5, fx is cos x, right? Now dy by dx is equals to f dash x, means derivative of cos x is minus sin x upon n into, n is what here? 5. 5 into y power 5 minus 1 is 4 with minus 1. That's it. It's so simple. Just you have to know what is formation. So like this, some special forms, how can you find out the derivatives? You have to know, for that you have to remember those tips. Clear? The question number 7 and 8. Question number 7 is given. Y is in the form of sin x power 7 x power up to infinity. Means here the function is repeated. One function power repeated up to infinity. Same way here y is given as x power y. In such cases, what you have to do to find out the derivative? Like this, we can imagine like this. If y is in the form of function power function up to infinity, like fx power up to infinity is there, or maybe it is also in the form of y is in the form of f of x power y. Then what is derivative? Simply y square into f dash x, means derivative of this function, by fx, means what? Same function, into 1 minus y log fx. When we can use that is, when y is in the form of function power function up to infinity, maybe y is in the form of function power y, then what is its derivative? Yes, y square of f dash x by f of x of 1 minus y log fx. You have to remember, easily you can get it. This is like that only. Okay, so in place of fx, what is there? F of x is sin x. So what is its derivative? According to that formula, y square of derivative of sin x is cos x by fx is sin x only. Sin x into 1 minus y log fx, means y log sin x, right? So this is we can read it as y square into cos by sin, we can write cot x by 1 minus y log of sin x. That's it, right? Now we can come to the next question. This is in this first formation, this is in the second formation. In this place of fx, what is there here? X, fx is there, x. Now what is the dy by dx? According to this formula, y square into f dash x, means derivative of x is 1 by fx, means what? X of 1 minus y log fx is x, right? This is again I am writing y square into 1 is y square by x of 1 minus y log x. That's it. This is also one of the special form to find out its derivative. How can you remember it? Just you have to concentrate. Is it clear? Now can come forward some more questions, right? Yes, look at the question number 9 and 10, which are depends upon this type what I have given. I will explain that also. In this question 9, what you can observe that if y is in the form of some function x square plus 1 by again x square plus 1 by x square plus some so on up to infinity is there. In such cases, what you have to do? Maybe in place of x square, some log x, sin x, cos x, e power x, a power x, whatever may be function in terms of x. That one, how can you find out its derivative? In such cases, that is, we can simply can remember this tip. If function is in the form of y is equals to fx plus 1 by fx plus 1 by fx plus up to infinity. Maybe it is also in the form of y is equal to fx plus 1 by y. Then its derivative is y square of f dash x, means derivative of this function by y square plus 1. That is only simple tip we are going to use for question number 9 and 10. So in this question number 9, what is the given function here? Fx is x square, right? What is dy by dx according to the tip? Dy by dx is y square into f dash x, means derivative of x square is 2x by y square plus 1, right? That is simply 2x y square by y square plus 1. Clear? That's it. Okay, now come to the next question. In place of fx, what is there here? Fx is log x, right? Now according to this formula, dy by dx is equals to what? Y square into f dash x means derivative of log x is 1 by x by y square plus 1, right? This is also we can add y square by x of y square plus 1. That's it. Okay. These are depends upon this tip. Like this, we can come across some special forms also. Yes, in this video, I discussed about the various forms of the special forms of derivatives as well as a function, power function. How can you crack the questions as a part 2? Okay, I hope so. If you make sure enjoy this video, please like, share and subscribe. If you want to watch some other videos whose links are given below description, you can watch it. Those are mostly helpful to you for your better performance in preparation level as well as in final examination level, because most of the topics I covered so with this amazing super tips and tricks. Is it clear? Now I will conclude this video till here. We'll see in the next video with new topic, new energy. So till then, have a great time. Take care. Bye bye.